Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are coming across an error message when attempting to run system file checking utility in command prompt, and it says that there is a system repair pending which requires reboot to complete restart Windows and run SFC again. Let's fix it guys. All you have to do is go to start menu, click on the power option, and if you have any available updates and restart available over here, then you just need to select that guys, or you can also select this restart option, click on it and restart it. After restarting your PC, you just need to go to search menu and type command prompt, click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now you just need to type sfc space slash scan and now, press enter. Now it should be begin running successfully guys, and that's all you have to do it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.